Word of the day, misnomer.
A graphic is a misnomer.
Yes, it's a misnomer. Do you know what that means?
A misnomer is a wrong or inaccurate name or term that gives a misleading idea about something. It occurs when a name or label doesn't match the reality or is used incorrectly.
That's actually a medical misnomer.
My room is a bunk bed, which is kind of a misnomer because it's the real deal.
Just walk to misnomer.
For example, calling a peanut a nut is a misnomer because peanuts are actually legumes, not true nuts. French fries is a misnomer because they actually originated in Belgium, not France. Koala bears is a misnomer since koalas are not bears, they are marsupials. Subscribe to learn more words and expand your vocabulary.